Hello, my Lux shoppers. This is Yvette with Yvette's Route to Luxury Living and Farming. Here you see me walking the sweet potato field. After the guys come through with the heavy equipment to harvest, I actually walk the field to find some of the smaller potatoes so that I can make sweet potato bread. So stay tuned because sweet potato bread will be coming, but it is sweet potato harvest time. So what you see here is the field that has been harvested first, which is lots of work, but we use heavy equipment to do it.